In the name of Allah, who is most beneficent and most merciful. My name is Asa Mukhtar Chima and you're watching Bahawalpur TV. In today's video, I will discuss how I successfully replanted a ficus tree or Pilken tree from one place to another. So before we get on with today's video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and do like and share the video as well. So let's get started. Today I will share my real life experience of transplanting a ficus tree or Pilken tree and how I successfully regrow it after transplanting or shifting. So weather is the key in transplanting any plant and particularly ficus or Pilken tree. So I have done this transplanting during mild weather, avoid during excessive heat so that chances of success becomes higher and plant face less stress due to excessive heat. Before shifting the new plant, I prepared the spot properly. I dug a deep wide hole and mixed the compost in the soil so that the new plant gets nutrients properly for faster recovery and growth. While removing ficus tree or Pilken tree, I carefully protected the roots of the plant. Remember, in ficus tree or Pilken tree, roots are the key to success after transplanting or survival after transplanting. So I placed the tree in the new hole carefully and gently filled the soil, making sure there were no air gaps in the hole. So after transplanting, immediately I water it deeply to reduce transplanting shock. For the next few days, I kept the soil moist and protected the new plant from direct and harsh sunlight. Remember, these two things are key to success after transplanting. So focus on these. After few days, new leaves will start appearing. That's when you will know that you have successfully transplanted the Pilken tree or ficus tree. And I have successfully transplanted that. Because my Pilken tree or ficus tree is already full of new green leaves and I am very happy for that. I will share some visuals from my already successfully transplanted Pilken tree so that you may get motivation for transplanting Pilken tree or any plant. So if you found this video informative and interesting, then subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like and share the video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.